everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Q&A for you to get to know me better. If you are new here, please subscribe. Before I get in this video, please go and follow me at Instagram, charm_lifestyle. My business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. Now let's get in our video. My first question is, what is your name? My name is Charmaine. Where are you from? I am from Jamaica. How tall are you? I am 5 feet 2 inches tall. What is your favorite food? No, I have so many favorite food, but let's go with stew peas with pig's tail and white rice. What is your favorite animal? Dog is my favorite animal. Reasons being, dog is a man's best friend, and a dog can also be your protection. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. What are your favorite movies? My favorite movies are all African movies. I'll sit all day and watch those. I'll watch those movies all day. Do you have kids? Yes, I do. I have 4 children, 3 boys and a girl. They all live in Jamaica. Are you in a relationship? Yes, but a very complicated one. Which 3 words describe you best? Let's say vibrant, hardworking, and people's person. What would you change about yourself? I would change nothing about myself. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. I love the way I am, and I will always want to be me, and I love everything about myself. What's your proudest accomplishment? My proudest accomplishment is my online business that I've started last year. What 3 items would you take on a deserted island with you? Wow, that's a very difficult question to answer. But let's say, I would say like, my first item would be water, which is very essential. My second item would be a knife, because You will need a knife whether to prepare food. When I say prepare food, maybe you will find like fruits or something to eat on the island. So you will be needing a knife to prepare whatever you find. You will also be needing a knife to, say, cut bushes if you need them. Yeah. And my third item would be repellent for insects, because consider yourself being in a deserted island and you just hear woo 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 mosquitoes singing all about you, and we know say mosquito bite not so easy. You just be like this. So those are my three items: water, knife, and repellent. Comment and tell me what you think, guys. What would you take with you? I need to know. My next question is, what is a day breaker in a relationship for you? A day breaker in a relationship for me is disrespect and abuse. Disrespect and abuse. What's your favorite type of music? Hey, my favorite types of music are, oh no, don't say me an old man already. No. So I pair old souls me go for. Some nice, soft, lovey-dovey old souls like Manhattans. Them type of music there. You know what I mean? My music them there. For how long have you been natural? That's my last question. I've been natural since I think it's 2008, 2009. I choose to go natural because I wanted to lax my hair, which I did. And I've been natural until August of 2020 because I get tired of that hairstyle and I just wanted a new look. And then not only that, in that summer, boy, it was so hot. So that's the reason why I decided going natural. So guys, I've come to the end of my Q&A. Now guys, tell me if you like my video. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please share. So bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.